Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving student status, so Amazon grants the 50% discount. First, sign into your Amazon account or create one, then choose Prime Student. Next, enter your Edu email or select a third-party verification option and fill out school details and graduation year. Once done, check your inbox for a verification link or code and follow its steps. This immediate verification step matters because Amazon uses it to confirm eligibility and start. After verification, pick the Prime student offer you want, typically a 6-month free trial, then a discounted monthly rate. Add a valid payment method now. Amazon requires it even during trials, and you won't be charged until the trial ends. Make sure your billing address matches your payment method. Once set, review the trial end date in settings and enable reminder emails if you want. These choices determine when the discount begins and how to avoid unexpected charges. Finish by learning how to manage your Student Prime. Go to Manage Prime Membership to see renewal dates, switch plans, or cancel before charges. If verification fails, retry using another school email or upload a photo of your student ID and acceptance letter. Make sure file names are clear. If problems persist, sign out, clear cache, and try a different browser. Finally, remember to reconfirm eligibility when your school status changes, so you maintain the discount without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.